Hi, I'm Vanshika and I post food tech related content. Today we'll be learning about the preparation of pickle, their steps and their importance. A pickle is a preserved product made by combining fruits or vegetables with salt, spices, oil and sometimes vinegar. Now next we have flowchart of pickle preparation. The flowchart includes selection of raw material, washing, cutting, salting, addition of spices, addition of oil/vinegar, mixing, filling, sealing and storage. In the next slide, the first step is selection and washing. Select fresh firm fruits or vegetables like mango, lemon, chili, carrot and cauliflower. Wash them thoroughly. The importance is that this ensures flavor, removes dirt and microbes, and improves shelf life. Next is cutting. Cut fruits or vegetables into uniform pieces. The importance of this step is that it ensures even salting and spice penetration. Next step is salting. Add salt to the cut pieces. The importance is that it draws out moisture, prevents microbial growth, and enhances flavor. Next step is addition of spices. Add spices like mustard, fenugreek, chili powder and turmeric. The importance is that it provides flavor, color and antimicrobial properties. Next step is addition of oil or vinegar. Add oil like mustard oil or vinegar. The importance is that it acts as preservatives, prevents spoilage and enhances flavor. Now the next step is mixing. It says mix thoroughly to coat the pieces with salt, spices and vinegar or oil. The importance is that it ensures uniform flavor and preservation. Next step is filling and sealing. Fill the pickle into sterilized jars and seal immediately. The importance is that it prevents contamination and ensures shelf life. Next step is storage. Store the sealed jars in a cool, dry place. The importance is it allows maturation, enhances flavor, and prevents spoilage. So, in this slide, we have problems in pickle and remedies. The first issue is softening of pieces, which is due to poor salting. So, the remedy is to use adequate salt. Next is fungal growth caused by poor sealing, and the remedy is to sterilize jars and ensure airtight sealing. Then there's rancidity, which happens due to poor quality oil, and the remedy is to use fresh mustard oil. Lastly, if there's a excess sourness due to too much vinegar, the remedy is to adjust the proportion. Conclusion: pickle preparation is a traditional preservation method that balances salt, spices, oil, and acid. Each step ensures flavor, safety, and long shelf life. A properly prepared pickle is tasty, nutritious, and culturally significant. Thank you so much for watching this video. And finally, please follow, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more food tech related content. See you in the next one.